In this demonstration, we will configure a scheduled task. Add a new scheduled task from the SO or customer level. In the left menu, go to Configuration, Scheduled Tasks, then Add or Delete. The Scheduled Tasks tab shows any tasks currently scheduled. Click the Add button to open the drop-down menu of scheduled task options. In this example, we will create a new scripting scheduled task. See the user guide for information about the different types of scheduled tasks. Change the default task name to accurately describe the task, and verify that the enabled box is checked. In the Details tab, there are several options to select from. Local system credentials are the system default credentials for this. Device credentials use unique device credentials. This option is not typical, or custom credentials to specify a username and password. In this example, we will use local system credentials. Scripts may be uploaded from the Enable N-Central script repository, from my computer, or from Network Share. In this example, we will leave the default, from Enable N-Central script repository. Click the arrow to open the drop-down for the repository item menu and select a script. In this example, we will create a log file. When a script from the script repository is selected, a description, file name, and command line parameters autofill. Under the Task Handler tab, select Use Agent where available to specify that local agents can be used to run the task wherever they are available. If an agent is not available, the best available probe will be used. Filters and devices are selected under the Targets tab. Click the arrow to move target filters into the Selected Filters box, and then select Target Devices and move them to the Selected Devices box. In this example, the Create a Log File task will apply to Windows laptop devices. Select the timing for a scheduled task under the Schedule tab. Use the drop-down menu to select if the task will happen now or be recurring. Check the box if the device should go into downtime during the task, and determine what the execution timeout will be. If the task will run on a recurring schedule, use the day and time options to specify the interval. In this example, we will schedule the task to run on at 11:30 on the last Tuesday of every month. Scroll down to Missed Executions and define how the schedule should react if a device is offline at the scheduled time. We will set missed executions to run when the device is back online and keep the default settings. Click the Notifications tab and select if notifications should be sent if the task is successful or fails, and if available, a task output file can be emailed to notification recipients. Select which recipients should receive notifications and click the arrow to move their names to the Selected Recipients box. When finished, click Save. View all tasks under the Scheduled Tasks tab and scroll right to view the status. Click the task name or status description for outcome details. Cancel to return to the Scheduled Tasks tab view. The Job Status view also details scheduled tasks with all other jobs. Filter by customer or site to refine the list.